Hey everyone, today I'm changing the wiper blade refills on my OEM wiper blades. These came off of a 2009 Lexus IS250. I purchased these refills from Toyota, but they are the same parts. You can get them online. You can possibly find them on Amazon. I'll see if I can get them and I'll give you the links down below, and I'll definitely give you the part numbers down below so that you can pick them up. Other refills might not work for your OEM wiper blades. These wiper refills are made to fit perfectly in there. See how nice that is? So having said that, I just want to show you the numbers that are printed on my wiper blades. The one on the top is the passenger, it's about 20 inches, and the one on the bottom is the driver's side, and that one is about 22 inches. You'll notice that each end looks a little bit different, and you just want to keep that in mind when you're putting them onto the wiper blades, because you want to do it from the flat end first, not the side with the arrow. So in order to take these out, this end here is the flat end. I'm not sure how well you can see that. And then this end over here has that little arrow. So I need to pull from the side with the arrow, and you have to be a little bit careful. Sometimes they get jammed, but I'm just pulling out a little bit and pushing away from me. So I am just pulling this out, and you can see that there's these little metal rods in there. Okay, so now I have taken this old refill out, and the way to separate the refill from this little metal piece, you just kind of move this around and these little rods will come right out. They are on the sides. There are little grooves at the bottom, and this is also the end that has the little point, the little arrow deal. This is what I'm talking about here. Okay, so you'll see that there's a groove at the very bottom, and that's where I'm going to insert the end of the rod that has these little notches. Okay, and I also want this to go with the curvature of the blade. So right now I have both ends that have these little notches over here. I have the end with the little arrow, same place. You can turn this on its side, and you want it to fit the same way that your wiper blade is going to go. So I'm just going to insert this right there. You can run it along, make it fit on one side, and it'll come out. You might have to play with it a little bit if you've never done this before. You're not familiar with it, so you just want everything to curve in the same direction. So now I'm doing the other side. I can hold both ends together. Now I'm gonna take the end that does not have the arrow. See how this end has the arrow? I'm gonna take this end and just thread it through. You're going to put it on the end, and then see there's this. I'm going to put it through that one, going to put it through the next one. Hopefully there's enough light and you guys are picking this up. It doesn't take this long, but since I'm trying to make a video for you, it is taking long. And then you just thread this through all the way up to the end. Okay, but you're not done yet. You need to make sure that this end that had your little arrow gets pushed in all the way. Did you hear that click? So that means that it's on there secure now, and I've replaced one wiper blade. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one now. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to check the links down below and give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate every single one of you, and I hope this helped you. Bye.